Greetings world, we are TNB Naturals, and this is a message regarding the winners of our sponsorship contest. Here's who's moving forward for another year. Mythical Grower, D the Bud Guy, Jim Grows Buds, Life's Garden, Cannabis Cultivate, Cannabis Lovers, Shadow Strain, Steve Grows Weed, Mr. and Mrs. Bluntlove, I-10 THC. Unfortunately, our industry has taken a huge hit over the last few years, resulting in a much smaller team than we'd like. Remember, if you didn't see your name, simply submit new videos. And for everyone else, you have until December 13th at midnight.
You are a winner, stand tall, be